Hello everyone, this is the second video of my web development question. Without further ado, I'm going to start the video by going to the question first. Okay, here's the web development question list. I'm going to select the second question of the first day, and here's the question. I'm going to read it aloud as I done in the first video. Assume that you are a web designer. The task assigned to you and your team is to create a website for a bodybuilding center. Here your task is to design a user registration form as well as user login form. Design it as shown in the example below. Okay, here's some code to refer. You must add the styles using only CSS. It doesn't need to be responsive. That's the advice in order to complete this question. They provided a sample design to make it easy for us to create the web page. As in the first video, I already created the design and I'm going to review it now. Okay, I'm going to the answer now. Here's my answer for that question. This is not a responsive page, but I add CSS in order to enhance the view of this page. Okay, here's the title. You can select your title, Mr., Mrs. or Miss, and here's the first name field, last name field, male and female, radio buttons, and the date of birth. Here's the contact number. You can select two contact numbers, email address, password, and the address details. Here's the registration form. You can go to the login page too. Here's the button, and when I click on that, you will redirect to this sign-in page. Okay, here's the username and password. Any member can input their username and password in order to log into this site. Okay, I'm going back to the registration form. Now I'm going to show you the code of my project. Give me a minute to select my code first. Okay, here's the HTML code I used to create that site, and you can see I created the selection method by adding a select tag with options to select the title of the user. These are input fields to collect the first name and last name, and the radio buttons. You can see I grouped the two radio buttons with the same name attribute. Because of that, users can't select both male and female options. They can select only one option at a time. The contact details and the other address field details are same in the previous video. Now I'm going to show you the CSS file I linked to that site in order to enhance the appearance of that site. And here's the CSS file. Here's the CSS file of the index page, and here's the login page CSS file. I created two separate CSS files and linked them to the login page and the register page. Here's the login page code, and here's the image tag I used to add the image in the forms, both register and login. Okay, that's it for the video, and thank you for watching this video.